Let us start by locating 3 rubber cushion pads from the accessories pack. Follow along with the video to install them step by step. Next, we will assemble the chin spoilers. Align the mounting clips until you hear a click. That means they are locked in position properly. Now position the assembled chin spoilers onto your motorcycle. Gently press along the edges to ensure secure adhesion. Give it a light tug to double check the fit before hitting the road.